today.
And Sushant Singh's cook Neeraj has now been called again by the CBI. This is at the DRDO guest house. Sushant's cook is going to be questioned again. The one very crucial individual is going to be questioned again by the CBI. Since day one, he's been questioned. Also, there is a security guard, a watchman from the building where the late actor resided. And this building was the Mont Blanc building where he was last the resident of. Has also reached DRDO guest house. Watchman is already inside. Cross-questioning is also likely to take place today. So this is big news. Remember, he is the only one whose statement has been recorded from day one. He has been the one to say he was making marijuana joints as well for the late actor during parties and has seen the actor alive and after his demise as well. Mustafa Sheikh is at the DRDO guest house to get us all the latest. Mustafa, you are there. That's where the cook has also been called. Why the watchman has been called for questioning, and now today can we expect some level of cross-questioning to take place?
Well, Pooja, the security guard of that building has been called, which is a routine part of investigation when it's taking place to get and understand who and all visited the house of Sushant Singh Rajput before and after the incident, and who people were present and whether did he notice anything unusual. So that's why, as a routine investigation, his statement is required. As far as the confrontation is concerned, from what we are given to understand as of now, is that the CBI is yet to verify all the facts and statements which have been given by the support staff of Sushant Singh Rajput. Remember, these people, be it Siddharth Pithani, be it Neeraj Singh, Dipesh Sawant, they have been questioned many times, multiple times by CBI, and their corroboration of statements is ongoing at this point of time. We'll have to wait and see what CBI's next move, because the team which had gone to Cooper Hospital is still there, and we'll have to see how the day's proceedings conclude. Back to you.
Also, Mustafa, can we say that perhaps it is the cook itself, Neeraj? He has no film links. He has nothing really to gain or lose in so many ways, and his statements from day one has been very crucial to the CBI, because he was the one who was responsible for food, for, as he said, he gave some juice as well to the late actor, and then, of course, saw the mortal remains.
Well, yes, even if there is no clue as to whether they are anywhere involved in this entire proceeding or not, but the CBI, if doesn't treat them as accused, they'll at least want to take their help. Because be it the psychiatric, forensic or any other thing, these are the people who stayed with the late actor till his last moments. Nobody can give details about his life and the state of mind he was in better than these people, and hence it seems that CBI is more likely to use them to help them in investigation, because these people are always present. One of them is every time present at the CBI's DRDO guest house, and it looks like they take help if CBI comes across any fact or any information which they have to verify. They ask the support staff whether something like this was happening, whether it's true or not. So that's the kind in which the investigation is progressing. But what is the role each of them played, and whether CBI thinks that the inconsistencies in the statement is on purpose or not, these are things will be clear in few days of investigation.
Important view you are making, that it is not even clear right now if there was any foul play, and why was the cook really involved, if at all there was anything that could get more suspicious if it was not suicide. Keep tracking all the latest. So now the cook has been called again. Stay on with me, because Mustafa, what we are discussing today as well, it's